think it's the best project I've ever worked on, and I've done quite a few projects in my time at KCOM.
Seeing that injection for a project like this of time and resource was brilliant. It was something to be really proud of.
The Cherry Tree Centre was set up in the early 90s, and it was to meet the needs of the community and surrounding East Riding. So we have Ofsted rated good preschool, out of school club, holiday club, community pantry, a free advice service, a housing project, and now our new youth hub. In COVID, our community room became a community pantry, and that made our youth club homeless. We knew there was a need, we was continuing to fight for it, but there was nowhere for us to go. I was begging for places. One of our volunteers contacted the BBC DIY SOS programme, and then Nick Knowles came, and he was the one that would have the overall say in it, and he said yes. And it was just a whirlwind. I think it was 6 weeks after that the build took place.
So when we first found out about the project was coming to Beverley, I reached out to the guys from the Cherry Tree. Once we found out what they actually wanted from the project, we approached the BBC and we pitched our idea to them, and there was full steam ahead, let's go for it.
It was just a field at the beginning, so we had to put all the networking, design all that, and put a little bit of a team together to help us build it all.
So we had about 14 members of staff that gave up a full day each, and it really gave them that opportunity to get involved in a project that they probably wouldn't have been able to get involved in otherwise.
I'm working with clients. I'm not a tradesperson, so my role to come into it was going to be so far out of my comfort zone and day to day. And that's one of the things I really loved about it. I knew that I just needed to do as I was told, go where I was needed, roll my sleeves up and just muck in. And it's a way of saying thank you. I support customers throughout the region, and they support us at KCOM. So being able to help the local community here in Beverley, where one of the principal areas where our network is, was just a privilege.
I've only lived in Beverley for 10 years, but I'm part of the community now. I think it's very important. I know when I was growing up, having somewhere like this would have been great. Our part was basically doing the fibre to the premises for the building, installing wireless access points so the children can get online.
KCOM have been absolutely fantastic, with the Wi-Fi, making sure that we've got it, it's accessible. It makes such a difference to them, because that's just all what they want is the free Wi-Fi. What we've got now is absolutely fantastic. It's better than we could have ever imagined.